Hello, my name is Jason Weber, head of product, and I'm with Samantha Shavara, head of marketing.
Hello.
We're with Carggo. Carggo is a digital logistics company with a singular mission: to reshape freight transportation by hauling it into the digital age. Our platform is built on big data, machine learning, and other cutting-edge technologies. But it's not just the tech itself that makes us special. It's the value that it lets us deliver to our shippers and to our carriers. That value is peace of mind. Peace of mind from instant pricing, guaranteed capacity, and full transparency. And that's what we'll focus on in today's demo as we show you how simple and intuitive it is to use. To kick this off, let's say I own an apple orchard in New York, and I'm trying to haul a truckload of big apples to Atlanta. Traditionally, as a shipper, I'd have to make lots of phone calls, send lots of emails to get a quote, to book a load, and to track it through delivery. So let's drive and haul my shipload of apples to Atlanta the Carggo way. First, I'm going to create a load where I'll be prompted to enter origin, destination, and select equipment type. Since it's harvest time, we can see our load already shown in our popular lane options. Carggo's price finder is about two things: trust and choice. Trust in that you know the price is fair and how it compares to the market and where the market is trending. And choice in selecting contract versus spot, lead time, and transit time, different modes, and different appointment windows. One of the features of our platform is providing real-time market indicators such as lane forecast, annual lane performance, tender acceptance rates, loads to truck ratios, and lane seasonality. This gives you the confidence that you're making the right decision at the right price. Hit Book Now, which takes us to load details. You'll be prompted to enter a few load details based on the type of equipment that you are hauling. Most load details pre-populate based on previous activity with Carggo, and what we can notice is transparent to both shippers and carriers is our flat service fee and our guaranteed price. Click Create Load, and it's just that easy. Once the load is created, it will appear in your load list with real-time status updates utilizing our GPS-enabled mobile app or other tracking options. One thing to point out is that you can see Loretta is assigned to this account to ensure peace of mind. We'll talk a little bit about her later. As you'll see in a moment, Carggo created a digital platform built on machine learning to bring both carriers and shippers together instantly and reliably. That's why, on the carrier side, our smart load matching technology recommends loads based on behaviors, preferences, and lifestyles. As a Carggo carrier, when you first register, you'll be prompted to enter equipment type and areas of operation. After that, our machine learning engine will adapt to those preferences and the times that you prefer to be home. As you see, you can filter and refine your search in multiple ways. Now let's find that load of apples that we just created. Once selected, you'll see Carggo's commitment to transparency by showing what the shipper pays. As soon as you accept the load, the carrier will be prompted to assign a driver.
I think I'm going to take this one, Jason.
Samantha's the driver.
So, what we see here are different status updates that are in real time and transparent to both shippers and carriers. Something worth noting is that we can actually see upload BOLs, additional charges, whatever we need, even create the invoice directly in the app and request payment, all while sitting in your truck. But what about detention, Jason?
Samantha, detention's automatically calculated utilizing our GPS and geofence technology. But don't worry, if for some reason you need to leave the geofence and return, we have a team of specialists standing by to make sure that you are fully compensated.
Great.
Now let's bring our shipper carrier story full circle.
Wait. I need a backhaul.
Oh, I'm glad you asked. If you check Find Loads, you'll see the folks in New York are actually hungry for some pecans. Carggo's smart load matching technology has already recommended a shipment of pecans from Atlanta back to New York, getting you home in time for your niece's birthday party.
So no more hauling air.
No more hauling air. Now, let's shift gears a bit and navigate to the Shipper Intelligence dashboard. Here, you will see metrics relating to total spend, total loads, tender acceptance rates, on-time pickups, and average detention. Utilizing a combination, actually, we're going to switch to our interactive map, and that allows us to drill down at a facility and lane level to better understand your network and potential cost savings with Carggo. Utilizing a combination of historical, market, and sonar data, we'll see a visual representation of this network. You can quickly adjust to find insights of the load of apples that we just shipped, for example, to Atlanta. You can see by tender reject and load to truck ratios that it's a difficult head haul, easy backhaul, but in either case, Carggo has you covered. Highlighting facilities, we can see inbound, outbound volume, annual shipment spend, and average time spent loading and unloading. Highlighting a lane, you can see annual shipments, average cost per shipment, and savings. Improving the relationship between shippers and carriers is what drives Carggo to continuously innovate. But before we leave, remember Loretta, who we mentioned earlier? While we use lots of machine learning and AI in this platform, Loretta is very real because we believe personal touch makes all the difference.
Thank you. And while we've shown you some ways that we can help shippers and carriers, we can also help digitally challenge 3PLs.